Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you interesting information that how I can modify this my Toyota Corollas, this gear stick, this steel bars, this movement and area. If I like to bend this like in this position to like in that position. How this is possible? Okay, and what I need for that job? I need firstly this steel vise, and I need to install this my gear stick in between these two shafts in that way, and then I very well I press these two shafts that my gear stick is in tight, and after that I have to take this my gear stick knob away. It is easy to rotate. Excellent Toyota's engineering. There is nice screw, and after that I have to remember that in what way this was, and it was in that way. It moves in this direction, and that's I have to bend this in here. And if we have this weak gear stick, this metal bar, I can use only my hand. I compress in this direction, in that area towards me, but now Toyota, they have made full steel bar, and that's I need this excellent alloy or steel hollow pipes. I install firstly in here and second after that in here, and then I can bend this like about in, I believe that in a little bit far away in here, and let's look at what happens. How last is my stick. Now I bend. Now it moves. Excellent. Okay, it moves nicely. We can look even closer. We can see that how this bends. Okay, nice. And now this gear stick is, I have moved that quite much, and we can go to look result. Okay, and now we can see the result. Firstly, I rotate this gear stick knob back in here. Okay. Okay, now this goes nicely. Excellent. Now we are in the starting position, and now we can see that I bend this my gear stick so much that now it is like in this position, and my starting position, I believe that it was something like that, and now it is in here. And we can compare in this my starting cue next, and next we can see that. And next we can see that. And this was really this information, and I believe that this my rotation and bend it last, and if it cuts, then I have to replace this whole element, or I have to weld this area, but in still everything works nice. Okay, that kind of information to you.